My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Hheo. Hheo is a new ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Hheo ransomware attacks the files that the customers store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Because of certain leaks in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then after the ransomware attack, you will no longer be able to actually use your files. Pretty soon you will see the results, the consequences of the ransomware attack. Typically after people restart their computers or sign off and sign in again, they noticed such changes to take place, and they soon realize that it is impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware called Hheo encrypts these files, and it is adding this Hheo extension to the files. This is why the ransomware is called exactly like that. So the ransomware damages practically all the crucial files that the customers store on their hard drives. And now you can see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware adds this special Hheo extension to the files, and it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good solution because this doesn't guarantee the file recovery. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, go to this page, download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the application, and then begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Of course, first of all, the program will update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of malware. Then you need to click on Start Scan button. After the anti-malware database is updated, the program will begin researching your system. Then at the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. You'll be able to know the locations of these threats, and I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected with the anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner, which allows you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Please find the detailed tutorial on how to remove this Hheo ransomware in the description for the video.